neutron collider shoots minuscule protons and antiprotons at terrific speeds, just short of the speed of light, around a 4-mile-long superenforced steel-encased ring. To protect the sensitive experiments from surface noise and for safety reasons, the collision ring lies deep underground.
We take beam.
Oh my god, that freaked the shit out of me.
Oh my god, are you alright?
Dude, that freaked the fucking shit out of me.
Oh my god. Dude, I'm sorry.